Imagine a cozy evening at home, and all you want is a delicious hot pot experience without the hassle of a full kitchen setup. That's where this 3L portable electric hot pot comes in. With its sleek design and ceramic nonstick interior, it's perfect for cooking up your favorite ingredients right at the table. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Whether it's bubbling broth, fresh veggies, or tender meats, everything cooks evenly and quickly. Plus, the compact size makes it easy to store and ideal for small spaces. Cleanup is a breeze too, just wipe it down, and you're done. It's not just a cooking tool, it's a way to bring friends and family together for a fun, interactive meal. So, if you're looking to elevate your dining experience, this electric hot pot is a game changer. Enjoy the flavors, the company, and the simplicity all in one pot. Buy now, link in the description.